What's up, guys? So I'm coming in today to show you how I do my sweet and sassy half up, half down. I believe that your hairstyles should match your attitude for that day. And tonight I'm going out with my friends and I wanted something sweet and sassy. So let's get to it. Here's what my inspiration was. So first you want to start by parting your hair from front to back. Just like that. Making sure your part is super straight. Next, you're gonna take your clips to make sure that you have that back part secure. Now we're gonna slick up this part. So I have it on my hand already. This is already clipped back. And we're gonna go straight up, right? To create that bun. Okay, and then take that excess hair and like wrap it around and just tuck. Got it? Now we want to use some foam and make sure that those edges are slicked. I like to make sure I have like a little design going here. You know, slicks are super cute. A lot of people like want baby hair, but I just like slicks. And then you want to tie that down with a scarf. And make sure you go under, because you don't want to get all this part all weird. I'll be back. Now that I'm done sitting under the dryer, because my hair is natural, I don't really like, you know, this part being crispy crunchy. So I'm gonna and scrunch this. See, just get it a little bit wet like it was before, like how it was damp, because I don't want it to be all dry. And then now that that is good, you can be careful taking this off. Oh, slick. And for the finishing touch, she didn't have that, but I like it. How did I do? I'll show you the final look.